Understanding Lemon Laws, a guide for car buyers. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting topic that is very useful for car buyers, the Lemon Law. Have you ever bought something that turned out to be defective? Well, when it comes to vehicles, the Lemon Law is here to protect you. Let's find out what this law means and how it can help you if you ever find yourself with a lemon. Lemon Law refers to a variety of state laws in the United States that protect consumers who buy or lease cars, trucks, and sometimes other goods. These laws come into play when the vehicle you purchase is defective and cannot be repaired after a reasonable number of attempts. If your car is a lemon, these laws can help you to get it replaced or refunded. You might be wondering why we use the term lemon for a defective car. Well, in American English, a lemon is a term used for something that proves to be poor in quality despite expectations. It originated from the early 20th century when people referred to worthless objects as lemons. The law adopted this slang term because a defective car is certainly not what a buyer expects or wants. The specifics of the Lemon Law can vary from one state to another, but generally, they require that the vehicle must have a substantial defect that is covered by a warranty. The defect must occur within a certain period or mileage after purchase. The consumer must give the manufacturer or dealer a reasonable number of attempts to fix the problem. If these conditions are met and the problem is still not fixed, the law requires the manufacturer to either replace the vehicle or refund the purchase. If you think you have a lemon, it's important to keep all records of repairs and communications with the dealer or manufacturer. You should report the issue to them as soon as possible and give them the chance to fix it. If the problem persists, you may need to contact a Lemon Law attorney or your state's Consumer Protection Office to help you navigate the process. We hope this video has shed some light on the Lemon Law and how it protects consumers. Remember, if you're stuck with a lemon, you have rights, and there are steps you can take to seek remedy. Thank you for watching, and don't let a lemon sour your driving experience. Stay informed and happy driving.